Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook some burger dogs, Dawg Burgers. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. Hey, have you ever been eating a hot dog and thought to yourself, wow, this hot dog's pretty good, but you know what I really wanted was a burger? Or have you ever been eating a burger and thought to yourself, wow, this burger's good, but what I really wanted was a hot dog? Well, guess what? Now through the magic of Root Boy technology, we're gonna make a dog burger. I have here a Costco quarter-pound hot dog. This is like the ones they sell in their food court. It's a girthy hot dog. It's a big hot dog, quarter pound of beef. And we're gonna take a sharp knife and cut about an inch back, half an inch back from one end, cut right down the middle of this dog without spilling everything off of my table here. It's not really a table, it's just a piece of cutting board that I got on top of my Blackstone griddle. I gotta do a better job than that. Gotta cut right through that dog, all the way through. There we go. All the way through. And what we got now is a dog that we can open up like that. And what are we gonna do with that? Well, we're gonna get some ground beef. Let's say about a quarter pound of ground beef. We got a quarter pound burger. Might as well get a quarter pound of ground beef. We're gonna shove that ground beef inside that dog like this. Ah boy, this is coming together. Look at that. Look at that. What do I got here? What I got here is a dog burger. We're gonna take some Lane's. This is my favorite seasoning anymore. Lane's SPG. We're gonna season that puppy, both sides, with Lane's SPG. Let's see, we can set that aside for now. You wanna see me do another one? In case you fell asleep, here we go. Got our Costco quarter pound dog, our sharp knife. We're gonna cut down through it, down through the middle of it. Right through the middle of that dog. Gotta get all the way through it. You wanna use a good dog for this. You don't wanna use no wimpy dogs like, you know, Sabrettes or Hebrew Nationals. You gotta get a Costco dog. You gotta get a good, girthy dog. That's a quarter pound of meat right there. Quarter pound of hot dog. So I didn't cut through it all the way. I gotta go through it all the way. All the way through it. If you're not cutting all the way through your dog, you're wasting your time. Okay. There we go. Now I got it. I'm gonna cut all the way through the dog. Take another quarter pound of meat and stick in there like this. Oh boy, this looks good already. It's not even cooked. There we go. There's two dog burgers down. Let's put a little of that SPG on there. Yeah, let me get both sides of that seasoned up, our dog burgers. We'll get them on the griddle and get them cooking, and then we'll dress these things up, and we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Okay, got my dog burgers on the grill. Got them sizzling away, cooking away. Got some buns over here toasting up. The right-hand side of the grill is turned off. The left-hand side is on about medium. Gonna let them cook a while. Then we're gonna flip them over and throw some cheese on them. So, you know what? You don't want to miss that, so stay tuned. I'll show you putting some cheese on them when we flip them over. Alright, my dog burgers are cooking along pretty good. My wife requested provolone cheese on hers, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to drop a slice of provolone on hers. I want double cheddar on mine, so I'm going to double cheddar myself over here. And then I'll put a single slice of cheddar on this one. And we'll cook them along. I'm going to check the temperature on that meat. Make sure we get it to about 155 degrees internal. Yeah, we're at 154 right there. 159. Yeah, it won't be long now. I'll be ready to dress these things up. So let's get the cheese a little bit of melty. Get our buns toasted. And we'll build a dog burger. Stay tuned. My dog burgers are done. Let's dress up a dog burger. This is my toasted bottom bun. we're going to put a little bit of Kansas City style barbecue sauce on that bottom bun. This is going to be one sloppy burger. Let me tell you what, dog burger, I should have said. Let's put that out of the way. Over there. And let's get our dog burger on there. Get our dog burger on the bun. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Don't that look good? Now we need some onions. I like some raw onions on my dog burger. Gonna drop some of that on there. Yeah, I know they're going everywhere. It's okay. It's alright, it's no big deal. Put that over there. Out of my way. Then I got some sweet relish. Put on there. Sweet relish. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Set that over there. And some mustard. Now you notice I didn't put any ketchup on this because I don't like ketchup on a dog. To me, that's like anathema. So, let me get the top of my bun over here. Nice top bun. Crown that thing off. Beautiful. Let's get a, let's do the beauty shot of that thing. And then we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Okay, my dog burger is done. Here's today's beer. Very fittingly, Lagunitas IPA with a dog on it. Because these are dog burgers, that's why. This beer's been sitting out here for a minute, so it might foam over. It's very hot out here. Let's pour out some Lagunitas IPA, Big Rob. I know I like this beer, and I bet you would too if you ever tried it. It's an awesome beer. And a perfect pour, Rob. Perfect pour for a hot day. Look at that. Lovely. I can't wait to get a quaff of that. It's so hot out here. Can't imagine. What's the temperature out here? It's like 89 degrees. Let's quaff the broth off it, Rob. Stay tuned. Delicious. I don't know how I'm going to eat this. I didn't think this through. When I bite into that hot dog is going to go sping like that. Anyway, let me turn the camera around and give it my best shot. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. How about that? Dog burgers, what do you think? I don't know how to approach this. I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss. You know what I could do? I could just bite the end of this off, I guess. Like that. I had a napkin handy. That's the best of both worlds right there. Let me tell you. Dog burgers. Never any better. So babies. Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you? This isn't my idea. I got the idea from my buddy Markus from 0815 BBQ. Go down to the description and check out 0815 BBQ. He's in Germany. He's always cooking up some cool stuff. He's really something. Anyway, that's it, dog burgers. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and visit my good friend. I don't know his name. The name of his channel is Regular Folks Food. He is cooking up some awesome food. Oh, excuse me. He made a chicken thigh the other day that was like next level delicious. Anyway, go check out, pardon me, Regular Folks Food in the iCard. Subscribe to me, all that happy crap, you know. Share my video, because I don't share them. I don't go on social media. I don't like Facebook. I don't like X or Twitter or whatever you want to call it. It's Twitter, that's what it is. And I don't like the people that own it. And I don't like what they're doing. And anyway, come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but this dog burger, I'm finna go devour this thing. It's awesome. Alright, babes, we'll see you next week. Bye!